Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find saved videos on YouTube for PC. So first, you need to go ahead and open your YouTube in your web browser. To save a video, click on the three dot next to that video, then select Save to Playlist. Then select the playlist where you want to save this specific video. As you can see, I have two playlists in my YouTube, which is Watch Later and Cell Biology. So I'm going to go ahead and select this on Watch Later. You also have the option to create a new playlist. So go ahead and click on New Playlist option, choose the title for the playlist, then choose the visibility. If you want to collaborate, you can toggle this option on and select Create, and you'll be done. Now to find your saved videos, you need to select the playlist option from the left-hand side of the screen, which is between History and Watch Later. Then select the playlist where you just added the video, and then you can start watching it. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.